guys, welcome to Living with a Rich Life. I'm Bethany.
And I'm Preston, and welcome to our channel. This will be our first official video that we are doing. Will be just about the random endeavors we take in our life and the random stuff we do that we find fun.
And other people find fun.
Yeah, people tell us we should start a video. And for our first video, we are doing a snack tasting
on Korean food.
I ordered this box from
KoreanSnackbox.com.
KoreanSnackbox.com.
And we are not sponsored.
We are not. The box comes in this little bag that you get to keep.
That will be thrown away because it's hideous.
Dirty Santa gift. So the first thing we are going to try.
It's called Magami Peach. I think that's how you pronounce it.
It's kind of like, feels like it's gummies. So.
Yeah, because we can't pronounce.
Yeah. It smells good. It smells almost like them peach rings you can get.
Right.
They are shaped
like
little hearts to me.
No, they're shaped like peach emojis.
Peach emoji. Tastes like peach rings to me.
Without the sugar coated.
Without the sugar. I like them.
So 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10, that is a
7.
8 for me. I like it. I'm a big fan of peach stuff.
And I'm not. So the next thing we're going to try is, looks like a little hard candy, and it looks like peaches. And I'm not real sure. It says Crown something peach. So,
First glance, kind of almost looks like Starburst texture.
Yeah. Smells just like those.
Almost like a Starburst. I could get behind it. 10 out of 10 for me.
Yeah. 7 out of 10. The third thing we're going to try is some type of jelly. It looks like, pretty much like Jell-O to me.
Yeah.
And I'm sure it's peach because it looks like peach.
This little thing is supposed to be little characters you see around Korea.
Okay, so let's see what this tastes like.
It looks more watery than Jell-O.
It looks like Jell-O, or it smells like Jell-O. Okay, this is better than our Jell-O. Give me that.
Oh no. It's not as thick as our Jell-O.
And it's got better flavor than our Jell-O.
It's pretty good. You know it's good because she's not a big peach fan. She likes that.
And I'm not a big fan of Jell-O either.
That is a 11 out of 10 for me.
10 out of 10. For sure.
That was pretty good. The fourth thing that we have to try is called a Crown Sandu. A strawberry cream cheese. Kind of feels like a cookie.
Like it's broke.
Yeah.
It's gonna be nasty.
Did get shipped from Korea, so.
Okay, it does look like a cookie.
It's kind of like wafers.
Kind of. Smells kind of good. It's broke all the pieces though. Okay. These taste like Ritz crackers, but it's got strawberry cream in the middle.
Kind of like Philadelphia cream cheese in the way, the strawberry brand. They're pretty good. I would say about a 7 out of 10 on that.
I'll say 8 out of 10.
The next thing we are trying is fresh. The fifth thing is fresh berry peach yogurt.
And just by feeling it, it kind of feels like a
ding dong or something. Twinkie kind of feel to it.
Yeah.
It says yogurt, but it's like in a sandwich. So almost got a texture and kind of looks like a sponge cake.
Smells, what are those smells?
Graham cracker
No.
smell?
It's like the Debbie swirl cakes or something.
Cream filled.
Okay.
That is bad.
That is a texture problem.
That is. Woo.
I think I like the feeling. I just don't like the cookie part.
I like the idea. So I'd say 3 out of 10. I mean, it's got a decent taste, but it's just the way it feels in your mouth as you're chewing on it.
That's a 1 out of 10 for me. So the sixth thing we're gonna try, can't really pronounce it. It's called like skinny cocoa. Not real sure.
Looks like chocolate sticks.
Yeah, but they look like sticks by the box. So we shall see. And it says it's got like this.
Some kind of nut on the front.
Yeah. So I'm not real sure. What does it smell like?
Smells like or the cocoa sweetener, naturally sweetened stuff you use
Smells
to
like
bake bacon with and stuff, make
like
chocolate
cocoa.
pies with.
It's got, looks like it's dipped in chocolate.
It's like a chocolate stick dipped in chocolate. Could see people putting this like coffee or something.
Cheers. It tastes just like cocoa.
Just straight up chocolate.
Like straight up cocoa with no
Now
sugar
the stick
in.
by itself, it just ain't got no flavor. The side that's not dipped. I would say that's about a 4 out of 10 for me.
2 out of 10. So now we're at our 7th snack, and it is a Ghana creamy chew. I'm not sure. Kind of feels like it's hard.
Which is weird to say it's a chew.
It looks like it's got,
Looks like a miniature Star Crunch.
yeah, looks like it might have nuts in it or something.
It's hazelnut smelly.
Ooh. It's got like a marshmallow center in it.
I don't know about this.
I'm not a fan. So I give these a 1 out of 10.
2 out of 10.
It's just not.
I mean, I like the taste of it, but
I don't like nothing of
it's
it.
messy.
It's gross. This is our 8th snack.
White
It's called
Angel?
White Angel Pretty, which is a weird name.
Looks like it might be some type of chocolate.
Yeah, like a chocolate bar.
Just broke up the pieces, kind of like a Hershey's or something.
It's a regular chocolate bar.
Not as sweet as a Hershey's bar.
No, but it's still pretty good.
I like it. I give it a 7 out of 10.
I'll say a 5 out of 10 because I'm not a big chocolate fan. So this is our last snack. And it is a cocoa pie, strawberry, and yogurt. But it feels like just a regular pie.
Looks like a moon pie.
Yeah, it does. And I'm not a moon pie person.
Ours is
Mine's
broke.
broke and messed up. Probably because I was squishing it.
It looks like.
Oh yeah, that's a moon pie.
That's a moon pie, pretty much, y'all.
And you're making a mess.
It'll be okay.
So here we go. No.
I taste a very slight hit of strawberry.
I taste more of.
I mean, it's moon pie. What it tastes
Yeah.
like. And I like moon pie, so I give it an 8 out of 10.
Just the pie itself takes from the cream for me. I just don't.
It's not better than our moon pies, but
Yeah. Okay guys, so that is it of all the snacks in this video. So we hope to see you on our next one, and we hope you really enjoyed this video.
and be patient with us. because it was our
Yeah.
first one. And see y'all next time.
So, let's try this again. So I finished till we get done eating this. Go ahead and start another one.